Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss how you can add missionary post grid in your WPBakery WordPress website. Let me log in into my demo website. And after that, in the last video, we have added a simple post grid. Now let's go into pages, and after that, let me edit one of the page. And let's add a new row. After that, again click on plus icon, then search for post. Here you can see this one, post missionary grid. Select this one, and after that, here you can select the data source. Then total number of blog posts that you want to display. For example, I want to display 9 blog posts. Then for the display style, and here you can see these are some other options, like you can select number of columns or number of elements in a single row. Then gap, scroll down. For the animations, let's select fade in, then go to data settings. Here you can apply some filters, order by date, order by author, title, and whatever. Then item design, here you can select from various designs. Then after that, here you can add some spacing if you want. Then click on save changes. Let me add some gap from the top, and after that let me update. Then let's view this page. So guys, here you can see how it looks. In this way you can easily add missionary blog post grid in your WPBakery WordPress website.